Hey everybody, we're giving a review and demo of this 5-stage knife sharpener that really has an amazing and innovative design. If you're looking for a way to preserve your knives and save you money in the long run and prevent from having to go back to the store and buy a whole new set of knives, this is a great option for that because it's going to keep your knives sharp, and that's exactly what I found out when I started sharpening my knives using this tool. Now let's talk about the design, because this is something special. It's actually modeled after a motorcycle. So you can kind of see the shape of a motorcycle, and it's to make you a blade warrior, which is what we all want to be in the kitchen when we're making our favorite foods. And of course, the knives are key for that, and we want to make sure that we keep those knives preserved. So let's talk about what kind of knives can be sharpened with this. You can sharpen so many different things, including a chef's knife, a bread knife, a santoku knife, fruit knife, kitchen shears, a butcher knife, Viking knife, boning knife, chopping knives, and a bait knife. So you really have a lot of options, and this is a 5-stage professional knife sharpener. So stage 1 is keeping the knife in the middle of the slot. You pull the knife along the blade from the heel to the tip slightly. You repeat it 3 to 5 times. Stage 2 is that for metal knives that are not particularly dull, you repeat the process 3 to 5 times. Stage 3 is to smooth out that metal knife. Stage 4 for bread knives, you slightly pull the knife along the blade from the heel to the tip 3 to 5 times. And then stage 5 for scissors, you slightly pull the knife along the blade from heel to tip 3 to 5 times. So it's got 5 different options for you depending on what type of knife or sharpener that you are using. And in this case, I was using both kitchen shears and some of my knives all together. And you can immediately see after you're done with this that it does sharpen the knives very effectively and quickly. Also, I love the ergonomic design. It fits comfortably in the hand. It actually fits in the palm of your hand because it's not that big. It's just over 7 inches long and under 2 inches wide. It has a non-slip mat, so it's going to keep things in place. And then once you're done with this, you can easily hang it on the kitchen hanging rack because it has a very convenient hanging loop on the end of it. So overall, I'm a big fan of this. I love that it has that non-slip design. It's easy to hold. That's key because when you're working with sharp objects, you want to make sure that you do it safely and efficiently. And because my wife and I do a lot of cooking at home, we use our knives quite a bit, and we have a lot of different types of knives and different sizes of knives, and this is going to keep all of those knives sharp, and it's going to last a long time. So definitely a win-win situation here, because immediately after we sharpened our knives, we started cutting fruits and vegetables and started making dinner, and the knives, you can tell, are much sharper and easier to use. So I hope this helps. I give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.